Drinkflation comes to the British pint. What does that actually mean? So it's mid-June 2023, and on CNN.com, there's an article indicating that British brewers are going to be reducing the ABV on their beer. Before we get to that, if you want to brew your own beer, go to fybs.us or imadebeer.com, and we have everything you need to help you brew. You make beer, you can make wine, you can make whatever. We do cheese, coffee, and tea. So fybs.us and imadebeer.com. Check us out. So CNN.com, mid-June 2023, Drinkflation is coming for the British pint. So they're reducing the alcohol content of some beers in the UK up to 1%. They're dropping the ABV 1%. So for those of you who may not understand how beer is made, what does that actually mean? They're reducing the amount of grain that goes into the beer, or they are increasing the water. So they're watering it down, or they're decreasing the grain. It amounts to the same thing. Brewers that are cited in the CNN story, it's Shepherd Name? Are you sure? How do you know that? Shepherd Neame. So Shepherd Neame, Green King, and Heineken are the brewers that are reducing the ABV or watering down the beer, such beers that we may not have heard of in the United States. Cited in the story is Old Speckled Hen, Spitfire, Bishop's Finger, and Foster's Lager. So that's one we have heard of here in the States. Those are all have reduced their ABV by up to 1%. Is this going to happen in the United States? Is it coming to you? How would you know? The only way you would know is if you were paying attention to the label. But why are they watering it down? Well, that's kind of interesting. So the spokesperson for Shepherd Neame is quoted in the CNN story as saying that lowering the ABV content of its beers expands their appeal to consumers who are increasingly choosing drinks with lower alcohol content as part of a healthy lifestyle. So they're doing it for you. So that's the reason why your beer potentially is going to be a little bit lighter than it was before. So if you want to sidestep all of this, you can make your own beer, and we can help you with that. Check us out at fybs.us and imadebeer.com. We have everything you need. We can teach you. If you want us to put a beer kit together for you, just email us at the contact form on those websites. So what's the conclusion on this? What do we do? You can continue to buy it and pay more, and that's just the way it's going to be. You can at least be aware now. Check your packaging. Switch brands that haven't watered down their beer. Or I don't know, make your own. So what are your thoughts? What are your questions? Hit me in the comments below. What do you think about this? Shrinkflation, it's a thing. We live with it. But what do you think about them watering down commercial beer? Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Not Nime or